I want to advise the landlords everywhere because we encourage them to receive the right people. According to the government of Kenya, when you receive a tenant, you should know them. If possible, they should have the ID card. You should know where they come from and what they are doing. Because we have had cases whereby some people rent people's houses and then they start doing illegal perhaps businesses or something like that. So we encourage that as landlords, when you receive any tenant, please understand and know the tenant. And I advise that let them give you their ID, please know where they come from and the business they are coming to do in your house. That is very key because we want to avoid any funny incidents that come up in houses or in people's businesses, because rental houses is a business and therefore we don't want it to be affected by people who are not good, who have no good motives. Because when somebody has put up his structure, his rental houses, he wants to make money out of it. But when you come and do other things in that place, then you are spoiling that place and therefore you are interfering with the business and the program and the objective of that particular person. So I advise everybody to make sure that you know the people who are coming in and let them be good people who can stay with others without a problem.
We do proper vetting on our tenants. We don't just take people in. We vet them. We make sure we are letting in people with good credentials. So when you leave here, rest assured, security top-notch. And any other amenities, we guarantee you, you will have fun living on this property. In this business for a while, and I've not had any incidents where tenants are complaining because we have security over here. We're actually bumping it up into 24/7, so there's always going to be a guard on here 24 hours a day. So that is something that you should not actually have to worry about. I mean, they don't really bother me. We give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. That's exactly what we do. We give them their dues and we keep what belongs to us. Not a big deal.
Should they be reduced?
Yeah, I mean, I would recommend they should actually reduce them. When you consider the cost of construction, it has gone up big time. When you look at a unit that you will put up with probably, let me say, 10 million, today it goes for about 15 million. So I would recommend if the government can look into it and kind of cut it down a little bit, that will allow landlords to make some more money and be able to recover the return on their investment. Well, before you build any structure, government inspectors come, check, and they keep coming to make sure that you're doing the right thing. They take samples of the cement or the concrete we're using, test it in the labs to make sure we're doing the right thing. We use proper materials when it comes to bars and mixing, whether it's cement, sand, and ballast, whatever, we do the right thing. So if all of us can observe that, the chances of buildings collapsing will be a thing of the past.
If you are coming to take somebody's property, please ensure that you come in with a good intention. We have had people coming in, they do some dubious business in the house of somebody else. They cause a lot of havoc. Some people we have seen deaths, even people's property. So I pray that those people come to rent in, they do the right thing.